All right, coming back to you. What time is it? 1:30. Just want to let y'all know how the bike doing at Buckroe. Anybody that's planning on coming to Buckroe. Kroger coming up. Spots here and there. None of that fast action like we've been getting. Catching a few spots every now and then. I have relocated several times trying to find them. Haven't located no holes yet. People steady coming on the pier though. People steady coming out here. This young man right here been out here all morning. He might have caught, how many spots he caught? Two croakers. That man caught 2 croakers. They're catching croakers. Look, coming up on the pier smiling. I tried to call him and tell him to stay on at home and fry some spot up, and I'll stop by. Coming up here smiling. He ain't walking into no gold mine this morning. It ain't sweet up here today, buddy. It ain't sweet up here today. It ain't too late. We got him. How you doing? What's that? I ain't doing nothing on live. Chat. Trying to get them an update, let them know stay at home if they want. Yeah. The reason why I come on live is because we got a lot of professional fishermen in the group, and I like the knowledge that y'all taking about this wind. Well, over the years of my experience of fishing that wind, I've caught a many fishing wind like this. This is my kind of weather right here for fishing. This wind ain't stopping them fish from biting. It ain't the wind. It ain't the wind. Because I can remember a time when I was at Ocean View Pier about maybe 2 years ago, 3 years ago. And if you think I'm lying, ask Dwayne Murphy. He was down there right beside me. The pier was backed up. People was elbow to elbow, and it was way windier than this. And we were filling coolers up. Just the fish ain't biting. I was here last Tuesday morning. It won't no wind. The spot won't bite. That's just how fishing is. Y'all know how it is. You know, these fish, man, are turn on and turn off on you in a minute. Yeah, how you doing? Yeah, they'll turn on. Turn off in a minute. They'll bite all weekend, and all of a sudden they'll stop. That's the way the fish do. Now I'm gonna be out here till around 3 o'clock, and then I'm going to chill for a little while. And then when I come back tonight, fish might bite. It might not, but I ain't gonna give up on it. Thursday. And if I don't catch nothing, I'm leaving here with son. I'm going over to Lamont house and get some spot from him. Yeah. No, I still got a couple of bags left in my freezer. That sun did come out and look. I went home for a minute. Little sun peeked out a little while ago. Where your reels at? Yeah. They catch a Kroger down there. I was looking for those spots. Dude caught one right there. I think what I caught today. Caught a black sea bass. I caught a little baby black sea bass, and he kept me away from the skunk. One for him, boy. I was going to make a post. First time I got skunked at Buckroe this year. Caught that black sea bass. Yeah, it's not good out here though right now. They said people catching them. The Krogers were bloodworms though. I'm not going to get no bloodworms. Y'all, hey, y'all weekend people, don't give up hope. Just because they ain't biting today, right now, that don't mean they ain't gonna pick up. People are planning on coming this evening, tomorrow, whatever. That don't mean they still out here. Trust me. The spot is still out here. They ain't moved out yet. Like I said, it's been 1 or 2 caught out here this morning, but them spots still out here. They just ain't biting now. Mine, he just went up there. He wanted to check the scenery out. He can't believe it. You know, if those spot was biting at it in, I'd be there. Ain't nothing up there that I ain't doing up here. I'm working my way to the car. That's what I'm doing. Cleaning fish over here. No fish. Nothing been cleaned in here today. Hey, what time you caught the spot? You caught the spot last night, didn't you? What time you caught your spot when the spot was biting? You didn't catch no spot. One spot, okay.
Yeah, I don't need that. Probably around 1.
It's another guy. It's another guy up there. I seen him. He showed me his cooler. He got about 10 in his cooler. I think he said he caught him last like early in the morning. Hey Lamont, you ain't got to watch live, man. You out here in the action. You out here live and in the action. You don't gotta watch live. Come on, Tony. Come on, wait. Hey, Tony, go to Wilcox and get us some bloodworms, man. Come on here, man. I ain't got no fish bite or nothing. Y'all thinking the drum down there? In the surf. Y'all thinking the drum in the surf? Oh, I'm silly. I can see her coming. Here she comes. Look at her coming. Here she comes. Look at her racks. You gonna stay here this cool. This wind. Look at her pulling them sleeves down. This is damn fishing. See what they're doing down there. Silly. You ain't got no reel in your hand. Your rod. You're sightseeing. You're sightseeing. Sightseeing. Come check the scenery out. Reel it. You use mine. You can have it. You can have my reel. I ain't doing nothing. I ain't catching nothing with it. Use that one right there. Shoot. It's already in the water. It might not be no bait on it. So I came up and took my reel. Took it. See, house that junk. Please don't get it hung up on that pier. Let's see if there's any bait on here. Look at that. Empty. Tell me the fish ain't out here. Hook is empty. Look, I got 4, 5 weights hanging on that. Boy, I'm going hard today. I got one hook. Look at my rig here. This is how I'm doing it today. I got, boy, the current got me. Look at my weights. I got 2 weights hanging on there. I got some seaweed. Look at my weights. Got these on there. Keep it on the bottom. What y'all think? Look at it. I got one hook. I ain't even feel like I just put one hook on there. That's how slow it is. I can't catch one, but I'm gonna put another hook on there for. Got some more anglers coming up on the pier. Let's see what that is. Well, they look like they ready to do something too. Got a rude awakening. Put a worm in. Look at that worm on there. It's dangling. Oh my God. What they doing in Lamont? Set that joint down. I'm ready to go get me a sub and go on back to the room. How are you watching? You up there? That's the days. That's 1:30 fishing report from Buckroe. Like I said, man, it's windy now. Might be windy tomorrow. Fish might bite, fish might not bite. But they don't bite again. You got to be out here in it. They coming when they hit, when they run. You got to be out here. You ain't out here, you don't get them. Hey, Kevin, and OG Tucker. Tell them we fishing this kind of weather. This ain't nothing there. OG Tucker, this ain't nothing. There's a low wind. Fishing snow, rain, slip. This ain't nothing right here. Flood. Mr. Tucker, you were fishing about a couple weeks ago. They gonna pier with nip out underwater. Tell them what you did. Sew them up. Had a bite yet? You holding your mouth right. Yeah, I know. Huh? And that, I think.